Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Q, you know who, and I am back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking with me today. It's hot as heck in Dallas this weekend when heat advisory. I think it's like 100 degrees, 101, but feel like temperature is supposed to be like 110-ish, hot. It actually worked out perfect for me and the mod I want to do to the truck. I'm actually sitting in the truck, and the mod I want to do to the truck, I'll show y'all just right out there in the hood. See it? Boom. Okay, y'all, sneak peek. So I'm actually letting that heat up because it does need to be hot. And yeah, let me go ahead and get out and show y'all what we got to do. All right, but it is hot as heck outside, man. Whew. Jesus Christ, it's hot. And as y'all know, I have the Raptor Grill here. Raptor, whatever you want to call it, grill, man. I love the grill. I think it looks great. Good looking, made the truck look a lot more aggressive than the stock grill, but I do love the way the stock grill look. When I got this originally, what I wanted to do was color match the whole thing. So I wanted to make basically everything red around here, red letters, right, to match the color of the truck. I started looking into that, and I think I called the price. It was about like $500. Dude said to paint this. I'm like, dang. He was like, yeah, we had to take it off and then paint it, and you know, all that stuff. And not any type of paint, since it's gonna be outside, I suppose it has to be whatever. So I'm like, man, that's a lot. So then when I put it on, I actually saw it. I actually liked it and didn't want to do the red because I didn't want the red to be overkill, if that makes sense. Too much red. Then I just thought about doing the letters across the front here, but I'm like, you know what? You know, I'm just gonna leave it black for right now. I think it's a good contrast. It's not overkill with the color of the truck. How you doing? As I got to research and actually level up Mike, I'm not sure if y'all follow him on Instagram, he has a Raptor. I'm like, man, I asked him where he got it from. He told me. And so actually that's what I'm gonna do today. So instead of doing the whole grill red, getting anything painted, I actually got some inserts for this. Now, my biggest concern is inserts are for a Ford Raptor. This is not a Ford Raptor grill. This is an imitation grill. So I'm hoping this fits, but what we got is this right here. Boom. So as y'all can see, this is carbon fiber, more carbon fiber. So these are 4 inserts with carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's real carbon fiber, but that cost me $110, $119. So I don't think it's real carbon fiber, but it's pretty expensive for this. So it may be real carbon fiber. It looks good, though. I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks really, really good. I'll link it up, of course, below where I got this from. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the grill of the truck. Just make these 4 letters just pop just a little bit more instead of being blended. Just boom it out, boom, boom. So it's very similar to the last mod we did with the chrome, with the carbon inserts for the interior. To do this install, of course, you're gonna need your letters. And then second, you're just gonna need a 50-50 mix of alcohol and water. Instructions on there. And basically what you're gonna do is just going to wipe this off with alcohol and water, dry it with a separate towel. You don't want the solution to dry. So you're gonna wipe it, dry it with a separate towel, and then you're gonna proceed to paste on your letters. And after that, you push from the center out to let it stick, and that's it. So the reason I have them in the heat, because it is required that these be like installed between 70 degrees and 110 degrees weather. So with this, I actually got them go ahead and heat it up because it's pretty hot out here. So everything should be heat, the glue should be hot. This is hot as well because I've been outside right now. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm about to go ahead and get my towels, get the solution. Try to show you how to install. If I can, it's gonna be hard for me to hold the camera and do this. I'll just sit on the ground, but 1, I'll do a white 2. That way I don't get them confused. I already got my solution pre-mixed over here in this green cup. I don't have a spray bottle or anything, so I just put it in the cup. I'm just gonna dab the towel and do it that way. You know, gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, I think my biggest concern is just, will these fit the Raptor grill? Will this fit this grill, you know? But let's go ahead and try it out and see what we got. Oh, they hot, nice and hot. Woo. Sheesh. All right. All right, so guys, this is what it looks like. As y'all can see, it looks very good. It's very well made for sure. So, not sure if I can show y'all, but that's what it's gonna sit like on the grill right there. Looks pretty good. It's fit pretty good. It's a good fit. So I'm gonna leave those out in the heat while I'm doing one. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the install started. Guys, it's so hot out here, it's burning my hands. right, guys, so I got it all finished up. Super easy install. Took probably about 5 minutes to do. If you don't have access to heat like I do in Texas, you might just have to get the instructions on there tell you everything. It might tell you get a blow dryer, heat it up, the glue up and all that, but thanks to Texas and this gorgeous heat they provided us, I didn't have to do that. I just set it on my hood, let it heat up, and boom. Looking at it right now, it looks pretty good. I like it. I mean, you know, it's just a small little touch to the truck to make the Ford pop just a little bit. And I know I'm teasing y'all just by not holding it and just letting y'all wonder, like, let's see it, Q, let us see it. I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. Real quick, also that solution, the 50-50 mix, y'all probably know this. Do not get it on the paint of your truck. You're gonna mess it up. I noticed when I was putting that solution on just the grill, it was turning kind of white, like little some white spots, you know? So just be careful and mindful of that. Other than that, super easy install. All the other letters fit perfect. Just the R was off a bit. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. 3, 2, 1, here y'all go. All right, guys, it got so hot that my GoPro actually cut off because it said camera's too hot, turning off to save the SD cards to keep everything from getting damaged. That's how hot it is outside. As y'all can see, one more time, that's the final look, what it looks like. Just makes it pop a little bit. It has that, still has that, it has a red outline, but the whole interior is filled with carbon, so it's not overkilling red, still keep me a black and red contrast. I think it looks good, man. Therefore, it really does pop now without being overbearing with too much red color. The fitment of the R, for some reason, see how it has the extra hanging off here? Only the R. And I couldn't bring it over more this way because if this surface here falls off, it's not flat running down with this. So I couldn't move it over because it would have been curving on this side, so I had to just lose the option to keep these two part not fully flush. So only the R was like that though. The D was fine, the O, everything else was fine. So it was just interesting. They do have like 6 or 7 different options to choose from on the site. So this was the carbon filled, Magnum red carbon filled or something like that. They have a few carbon options and the rest are just color. So this was the carbon filled one. So just go check them out. Link in the description below. I think it looks good, man. You know, we go keep rocking the Raptor Grill until I probably get rid of the truck. If I get rid of this now, I don't want to now since I just spent $120, $10, whatever it is on this. So if I ever sell this, just know it might be a little markup price for those letters. I'm gonna get out this goddamn heat. It is so hot. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.